Welcome to the Frasers SsangYong video walk round for the SsangYong Korando. This is a brand new silent silver SsangYong Korando Ventura. It's a 1.5 GDI petrol turbo, and like all SsangYongs it comes with a 7-year 150,000 miles warranty. Great specification on these cars. Exterior wise, specification includes diamond cut alloy wheels, front and rear parking sensors with rear parking camera, front and rear LED daytime running lights, automatic headlights and front fog lights along with roof rails. The Korando has achieved a 5-star Euro NCAP crash test, and it has a host of safety features. These include auto dipping headlights, so that's the main beam on and off automatically, hill start assist, hill descent control, emergency stop signal, autonomous emergency braking, lane departure warning, lane keep assist, traffic sign recognition, front vehicle start alert, driver attention alert, safety distance alert. There's a suite of airbags as well, along with traction control, and it also has the SOS emergency call system fitted to it as well. Inside we get front and rear electric windows, electrically operated and heated door mirrors, height adjustable driver's seat, reach and rake adjustable steering wheel, touchscreen infotainment system which houses DAB radio, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Google Android Auto and your rear parking camera screen. Air conditioning features as well, along with front heated seats. Steering wheel audio controls and cruise control as well. With the Ventura you also get the digital dashboard, which can change how the display looks. All your settings are there as well. It looks really fantastic. Plenty of space in the back as well. One of the most spacious in its class. 60/40 split fold seat as well. And the spacious boot, which is the retractable load cover and has a false floor, so it's a 2-tier boot, so it goes down a bit deeper there as well. At Frasers SsangYong we've always got a great selection of offers on the Korando. To find out about them, check out our website, which is www.fraserscars.co.uk, or you can give the sales teams a call. Our Falkirk branch is on 01324 632 333. Our Edinburgh branch is on 0131 443 2293. You can come and visit us as well at Frasers of Falkirk SsangYong in Glasgow Road in Camelin, Falkirk, FK1 4JQ, or Frasers SsangYong Edinburgh, which is at 553 Gorgie Road in Edinburgh. The postcode is EH11 3LE. So thanks for watching, and if any questions leave comments or get onto our website or contact us and ask away. Thanks for watching.